Let's look at problem number 15, dividing polynomials. And we got q minus 5. And we're dividing that into 4q squared plus 3q plus 1. Now, a thing to note here is that what's out in front and actually underneath the division both have to be in standard form, from largest power down to smallest. And they shouldn't be missing any powers. If they're missing any, you have to put 0 placeholders. We don't have to worry about that in this problem. When deciding what to put up on top, you look at the first term of each. And you ask yourself, what times q gives you 4q squared? And that'd be 4q. Now, whatever you put up on top, you multiply by what's out in front. So I'm going to take 4q times q minus 5. Well, 4q times q gives you 4q squared. 4q times negative 5 gives you negative 20q. So I got 4q squared minus 20q. We're going to subtract that line, which means flip the signs. A lot of you will flip the signs in your head, but I can't show you steps in my head on this little tablet very well. So we'll flip the signs. That becomes negative, and this becomes positive. Now 4q squared minus 4q squared drops away. 3q plus 20q gives us 23q. Then I bring down plus 1. Now again, we'll only look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times q gives you 23q, and that'd be 23. Whatever you put up on top, you multiply by what's out in front. So I'll take 23 times q minus 5. 23 times q is 23q minus 23 times 5, 115. Yeah. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means we'll flip the signs. This becomes negative, and this becomes positive. 23q minus 23q drops away. 1 plus 115 gives you 116. And unfortunately, this book is big about putting r and then 116. When I say this book, I'm talking about the one we were using that this test bank came out of. Departmental policy forbids us from having a study guide that comes out of the same textbook, because it'd be so similar then that you throw it back in our face telling us it's too easy. Okay, so how this book probably does it is they probably take, and this is kind of a lot of them do this, they'll take the remainder and they'll put it over what they're dividing by. So this is more of what you probably see in math than R, but let's see which one matches. 4q plus 23, R116, looks like D is in David. And that's our answer.